morning student. Welcome to Gyanjali online classes, class 10. English chapter 4 from the book Footprints Without Feet, chapter number 4, a question of trust. Yeah, the word trust means bharosa. To whom you trust? Whoever might be, trust is very important thing, and if you have no trust, very unsuccessful. And in this chapter you shall see that about the person, one of the thief, lady thief, mistreat the another thief, and the thief, when he was sent to jail, then he thought that honor among thieves. There is a question mark. There must be trust between the thieves. This person thought like that. Yeah. So the lesson speaks that sometimes not only good person is good, but here thief how mistreat and another thief and how he cheated and taken the property. So that's a question of thought, question of trust. Let's see. So everyone thought that Horace Dandy was a good, honest man. Yeah, he was outwardly looking nice, but he was about 50 years old and unmarried. Yeah, already crossed 50 years, but no marriage. To Horace Danby, and he lived with a housekeeper who carried over his health. Housekeeper, one of the person look after his health. Who? This Horace. In fact, he was usually very well and happy, except for attacks of hay fever in summer. He has only one thing, problem of Horace. He had the hay fever. Yeah, you should know, hay fever is a disorder affecting nose and throat caused by allergy to pollen or the dust. Allergy of nose. Yeah, hay fever में nose का ही क्या होता है? Allergy. Let's see. So Horace has one problem. This hay fever. He made loss, and he was successful enough at his business to have two helpers. Yeah, he had the two helpers. He was a successful person. Yes, Horace Dandy was good and respectable, but not completely honest. Yeah, he was a successful person, but he was a dishonest person. Why? He was a thief. He stole 15 years ago. What? 15 years ago, this person, he had sentenced to jail. For what reason? Had served his first and only sentence to prison library. He loved rare expensive books. One of the good points of the thief was he loved books. Reading book, I don't say that he bad. And whatever books he liked to read, very costly books. It's okay. So he robbed a safe every year to get books and to live. Without earning cannot survive. बिना कमाई के तो आप जी नहीं सकते हो, कोई भी है या तो यहाँ पर जो चोर है वो चोरी करके जीता था. लेट्स सी. So he robbed a safe every year. Every year he planned carefully just what he would do. Stole enough to last for 12 months. Oh, 12 months means 1 year. ऐसे चोरी करता था कि साल भर बैठ के आराम से खाए. Yeah, and secretly bought the books he loved through an agent. Now he bought books secretly for one of the hobby or amusement to read books. Yeah. Now walking in the bright July sunshine. This is the month of July. And in this month of July, let's see, he planned to burglar or steal a house. Let's see, he felt sure that this year's robbery was going to be as successful as all the others. For 2 weeks he had been studying the house at Shotover Grange. The place name is Shotover Grange, and for 2 weeks he studying how to steal, how to take the money, let's take the wealth This afternoon, the two servants who remained in the Grand White while the family was in London. Now, family trip, wealthy person, they like to go to movie cinema. तो लंदन सिनेमा देखने गए परिवार. And in his house, how many servants? Two servants were there. Yeah. Let's see. Horace saw them go. Who? The persons who were in this house. Yeah, family members. And he felt happy in spite of little tickle, a happy what it is. No, now why he is happy? That it's good chance to snatch the things of the house. But he was only one problem, a fever. He came out from behind the garden wall. Yeah. How did he come? From the garden wall. Yes. Garden के पीछे तरफ जो wall है, from there he came out. Let's see student. Then how did he enter? He came out from behind the garden wall. His tools carefully packed in a bag on his back. Now he had in his hands some tools, how to open the house. He needs something to open the safe, open the rooms lock, etc. That's why he had all these instruments. Okay. There were about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the grand safe. 15,000 pounds. Do you know 15,000 pounds? This is the what? England's currency. This much wealth he could get from this house. If he sold them one by one, he expected to get at least 5,000, enough to make him happy for another year. Yeah, एक साल आराम के साथ जी सकता है. He could live a good life for a year. There were 3 very interesting books coming up for sale in the autumn. 3 books coming from the autumn season. Expensive book he will purchase from there. And now he would get the money he wanted to buy them. He will get money means he will purchase the costly books to read. Yeah. He had seen the housekeepers hang the key to the kitchen door on the hook outside. उसको पता था कि किचन डोर का कहाँ पर रखा गया है. He could see. So he put on a pair of gloves, took the key and opened the door. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. Now, anytime he used to go for stealing, he used gloves. Okay. And opened the door. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. Very clever. It's okay? Because fingerprints means anyone can know. So now as he was entering the house at the time, he saw a dog was laying in the kitchen. He's tired. Means what? The dog's tired. Let's see. Made a noise and moved its tail in a friendly way. Yeah. Now the dog was means the friendly dog, very good dog. Then what happened? All right, Sari. Horace said as he paused. Yeah. Now he spoke in telling the name. You know, by telling a name, we are more you can impress more. और यहाँ पर Horace dog को नाम लेकर बुलाया. क्यों? All you had to do to keep dogs quiet was call them by their right names and show them law. Yeah, the name I'm telling by expressing law, dog will be controlled. How treat he used Horace. Now, the safe was in the drawing room. Let's see. The safe was in the drawing room behind the rather poor painting. Safe कहाँ था? Drawing room के एक पेंटिंग के पीछे छिपा था. Yeah. Let's see. So वहाँ पर जो गहना है रखने का पेंटिंग पीछे छिपा है और उसको पहले से कैसे मालूम चल गया. Horace wondered for a moment whether he should collect pictures instead of books. Now there were only pictures. Horace thought that in this house only pictures, I will not get books. Yeah, but they took too much rooms in a small house. Books were better. Now he had too much rooms, but he thought that I don't need a painting, but he needs books more than that. Let's see. So what happened then after? There was a great bowl of flowers on the table. Yeah, उस टेबल के पास बहुत फूलों का क्या था, बाउल था. And Horace felt his nose tickle, his touch. With the flower, Horace's nose touch. Then after what happened? He gave a little sneeze, irritation, and then put down his bag. He carefully arranged his tools. या बैग नीचे रखा और टूल को सजाया. He had 4 hours before the servants returned. Yeah, as servant returns to this place, now no servant, nothing. He has sufficient time. 4 hours means sufficient time. The safe was not going to be hard to open. Yeah, very easy. After all, he had lived with locks and safes all his life. Yeah, very expert to open the safes. Whole life he know how to open. The burglar alarm was poorly built. Yeah, the burglar alarm means the connection is very poorly made. He went into the hall to cut its wire. घर गया, wire को काट दिया. It's okay. He came back and sneezed loudly as the smell of the flower came to him again. Now allergy with this plant. As he had the allergy with this plant, once again he sneezed. Then see what man. How foolish people are when they own valuable things for his thought. As he purchased the very valuable things, the people are very foolish to keep these things. Yeah, a magazine article had described this house. मैगजीन से पता चला था कि घर कैसा है, कहाँ पर क्या है. Foolishness. Giving a plan of all the rooms and pictures of this room. पूरा प्लान दे दिया कि कहाँ पर क्या है, कहाँ पर बर्गलर में सेफ है, कहाँ पर उसके सामने पेंटिंग है, क्या है, सब डिटेल्स मिल गया है. So foolishness. The writer had even mentioned that the painting hid is safe. पेंटिंग के पीछे ही सेफ है और सेफ के अंदर तिजोरी सोना है. He got all those things. But Horace found that the flowers were hindering him in his work. Now, flowers only is one of the disturbance, irritation of hay fever. He buried his face in his handkerchief. The handkerchief से अपने मुंह को ढाक लिया. Then he heard a voice say from the doorway. Yeah, doorway से एक आवाज आया. What is it? A cold or a hay fever? छत के ऊपर से एक आवाज आता है. doorway से लेके कि ठंडा बीमारी है या तो तुमको फीवर है, hay fever. But he could think, Horace said, hay fever. He found himself sneezing again. वो बोला कि मुझे hay fever हो गया है. The voice went on, you can cure it with a special treatment. You know, when you want this special treatment, you can get healed from this if you find out just what plant gives you the disease. Yeah, the plant what you are suffering a disease, in the way you will show to doctor, you will be very good health. Okay, I think you would better see a doctor if you are serious about your work. Yeah, I heard you from the top of the house just now. Yes, from the top of the house, I heard that you had this type of problem. It was a quite kindly voice, but one with firmness in it. What a voice is it? Let's see. From the top of the house, he heard one of the voice, and in the voice there is stamina, there is strength. Let's see. A woman was standing in the doorway. Yeah, और doorway के सामने एक महिला खड़ी है. Yeah, and Sherry was rubbing against her. Yeah, Sherry was rubbing against her. Means our dog came. Rubbing means I touching this dog. Dog is touching this lady. That means the dog is very friendly. It's okay. She was young, quite pretty, and was dressed in red. महिला बहुत सुंदर है, very smart looking, and red in color dress wearing. Okay, she walked the fireplace and strengthened the ornaments there. Yeah. And he came to the fireplace, near the fireplace here, and there was the full of decorative, the lady full of decoration. Down, Sherry, she said. Yeah, down, Sherry means Sherry, go down, okay? Anyway, good thing I would get been away for a month. Let's see, कि मैं एक महीना के लिए बाहर हूँ. Let's see. She smiled at Horace and went on. However, I came back just in time, though I didn't expect to meet a burglar. as I coming this time, but I did not think that I met a thief person. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि चोरों से मुलाकात हो जाएगा. Let's see. Horace had some hope because he seemed to be amused at meeting him. Yeah, Horace had some hope that he met with this person. Horace thought that this lady may be the housewife. Let's see. He might avoid trouble if he treated her in the right way. Yeah, Horace thought that if I will talk well, I'll escape from this danger. Yeah, that's why he spoke very well. He replied, I did not expect to meet one of the family. Yeah, Horace told that I did not hope that I'll meet one of the family members. Horace confused that this lady who has come to this house is the house member. But actually, who is the family discuss? She nodded. Yeah, she said, so is her head. I see what an inconvenience it is for you to meet me. I see what an troublesome for you. Then I meet you. Yeah, what are you going to do? क्या तुम्हारा काम क्या है? Horace told, better my first thought was to know क्या मेरा एक ही चीज़ है कि यहाँ से भगना ही मेरे लिए बेहतर है. If I go away, then I will save my life. Yeah. Of course, you could do that, but I could telephone the police and tell them all about you, and they would get you at once. Yeah, if you think that you will go, but I will call the telephone, and police will come and they will catch you. But Horace was more clever than that. What Horace said, I would of course got the telephone wires first and then hesitated. Maybe telephone wire काट दूँगा तो पुलिस को फोन नहीं कर पाओगे. Let's see. Yeah, I would make sure that you could do nothing for some time. A few hours would be enough. Then also, if you call the telephone phone also, you cannot escape. I'll call the telephone. Within some hours, you will be caught by the policeman. She looked at him seriously. You would hurt me? Yeah, you are here to get problem for me. Let's see. Horace paused and then said, I think I was trying to frighten you when I said that. Yeah? Why I did speak like that? To make you fear. You did not threaten me, Horace suggested. Yeah? It would be nice if you would forget you ever saw me, let me go. तुम अगर ऐसे मान लो कि और तुम और मुझे ढूंढ नहीं पाओगे, मैं तुम मुझे पूरी तरह से भूल जाओ. You don't keep that you met me और मुझे let me go, then matter is solved. Okay? The voice was suddenly sharp. Yeah? Why should I? You were going to rob me. I not leave you. पहले तुम मुझे चोरी कर रहे हो. If I let you go, you will only rob someone else, not only like me, but also other society, other people. Society must be protected from men like you. Yeah? Then see, समाज को बचाना है. Horace smiled. I am not a man who threatens society. I am not like that. I steal only from those who have a lot of money. I only steal from the wealthy person. Yeah? I steal for a very good reason, and I hate the thought of reason. For a good reason, I steal money from rich person, and second thing that I do dislike going to jail. Yeah? She laughed and she begged, thinking that he had persuaded her. Now, Horace thought that anyway I diverted the mind of the lady. Look, I had no right to ask you for anything, but I am desperate. I am hopeless. Let me go and promise never to do this kind of thing. I really mean it. That means I had to leave this place. That's why I spoke like that. Allow me to go. She was silent, watching him closely. Then she said, you are really afraid of going to prison, aren't you? Now ladies thought for a while and told, if you had to go to jail. She came over to him, shaking her head. Yeah. Now lady came near Horace, and what he told, I have always liked the wrong kind of people. Lady spoke that. I always like the wrong kind of people. That means the lady, hello? The lady always meet wrong kind of people. Means lady is understood that Horace should understand that lady is a bad lady. Okay, but he did not understand. Let's see. She picked up a silver box from the table and took a cigarette from it. Yeah. Now this lady opened the box. She had a cigarette and now started to smoke. Eager to please her, and she him took off his gloves and gave her his cigarette lighter. Now this here you can see that Horace did a mistake. He opened his gloves and helped this lady to light up the cigarette. What he did? Yeah? And he gave her lighter okay? He gave his cigarette lighter. Yes, you will let me go. Now, Horace tried to escape from this danger. That's why he used this lighter. Yeah, he had the lighter towards her. Yes, but only if you will do something for me, anything you say. Yeah, what you say, then I am ready to do. Yeah, at the lady told, only thing you have to do something. Like what the things? Before we left for London, now this lady spoke that I am from London. No, so we are going to London, and at the time we have something. I promised my husband to take my jewels to our bank. Yeah, लंदन जाने से पहले हमको बैंक में जेवल को रखना था, लेकिन हड़बड़ी में हम रख नहीं पाए. But I left them here in this safe. इसको सेफ में रख दिए. I want to wear them to a party tonight. Yeah, because tonight I have a party and I need this jewel, and so I came down to get them. But let's see how lady is talking very cleverly. Horace smiled. Anyway, I will have this lady and I will save from this danger. We have forgotten the numbers to open the safe, haven't you? Yeah, means you don't know the safe number to open. So no problem, replied the young lady. Replied, yes, I forgot. Then he told, yeah, just leave it to me and you will have them within an hour. Yeah, but I will have to break your safe. In breaking the safe, I can bring your jewel. Then what? The lady said, don't worry about that. My husband won't be here for a month. मेरे स्वामी एक महीना के लिए नहीं आएंगे. Yeah, and I will have this safe mandate by that time. So if my husband will not come for 1 month, then I can arrange or repair this safe then and there. So no problem, you can do the work. And within an hour, Horace opened the safe, given her the jewels, and gone happily away. He escaped the danger. For 2 days, he kept his promise to the kind young lady. Yeah. Now, for 2 days he was in his house and he was happy that because of this lady, he escaped the danger. He kept his promise to the kind young lady. Yeah. That is because of lady, he escaped the danger, he is happy. On the morning of the 3rd day, I promised that I will not go to anything work. But on the 3rd number day, what happened? However, he thought of the books he wanted. किताब पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है, महंगा किताब, चोरी करना है कैसे? And knew how he would have to look for another safe. Hello, कि वो सोचा कि दूसरे घर में वो चोरी करना है मुझे. But he never got the chance to begin his plan. In the 3rd number day's morning, he thought like that. But by the noon, one of the policemen, arrested him for the jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. In the 3rd number day, a policeman came and arrested him because he stole a house. His fingerprints, for he had opened the safe without gloves. Without gloves he had stolen, and no gloves means all the room were the print of the fingers. Yeah, were all over the room, and no one believed him when he had said that the wife of the owner of the house had asked him to open the safe for her. Yeah, he told that one of the lady, I thought that lady told me that, so I opened. He pleaded, asked, but nobody believed because that was not lady, that another lady was a thief. The wife, herself, a great head, बाल पक गई है. Sharp-tongued woman of 60, बहुत ही sharp-tongued मतलब बहुत ही चिल्ला के बोलने वाली महिला है. said that the story was nonsense. What millionaire story? I was not. Yeah? What foolish story he is telling. Horace is now the assistant librarian in the prison. Now he was in the prison, and because of the stealing, he was in the jail. He often thinks of the charming young lady, clever young lady, who was in the same profession as he was. Now later on he knew the lady came to open the safe was not other than the another thief. Yeah, and who tricked him? Yeah, dishonesty, question of trust. The one thief looted another thief. एक चोर को उल्लू बना के दूसरा चोर उस ले गया. He gets very angry. Why? People may know that other thief make him fool and took the jewel from him. Anyone who says talks about honor among thieves. चोरों में भी ईमानदारी होना चाहिए. हाँ? एक चोर दूसरे चोर को वफादार होना चाहिए. Whenever anybody speaks that, he gets angry. Yeah? The lesson hiding is question of trust. At the end, he was sentenced to jail. He knew that the another lady who was the thief made him foolish to take the things. So this is the question of the trust. That the one thief should trust another thief, but it was the opposite. The lady thief cheated this thief, and we hope the lesson how the thief is very clever to take the things of another. So we should not be very clever that we may be fooled by another thief. The lesson is like that, and I hope that the lesson we would have understood. Have a good day and study well, and goodbye. Thank you.